So I'm in France, in the French Alps. This is where my parents live. I wanted to go back to France because at least I'm at home with my family, and there is a garden, and I think the weather is a bit better than Loughborough, so it's quite nice. And at least, yeah, I can enjoy the sun and yeah, trying to take advantage of the situation and spending more time with my family. I'm still trying to stay at 3 workouts per day, but I'm running in the morning. I'm doing like 5, 6K running, which is quite new for me. And then I'm trying to do a gym session at home. Like I've got a pull-up bar. I've got a few stuff, so I'm trying to do kind of a gym session, and then I'm doing a biking the afternoon. So it's still intense, but I'm not swimming. And it's good to have like a partner. Like when you're swimming, you're never on your own, and it's the same here. I've got my sister, I've got my partner with me. My goal was to make an Olympic final on the 100 fly. So I think it was realistic to set that goal, and now I'm thinking maybe I will be better next year. So maybe I don't know, maybe a top five, a top four, maybe a podium would be nice. But I think it's basically the same goal, but maybe I will be more ambitious next year because it's one more year in the bank and can be beneficial. Hopefully, when I will get back in the pool, I will be like mentally really fresh to start a new year because 2021 will be the big one now. So this is my objective.